Hello, good morning students. Students, we are going to do lesson number 7, our soils. You all have seen soil when you go to play in the ground or you have a garden in your house. You all know that our houses, our buildings, our shops and everything is built on the soil. Or the farmers, they need soil to grow crops, trees grow in the soil. So soil is an important part of our life. Now what is soil? Soil is the top covering of the earth's surface, the top covering. If you dig the soil, you will see some rocks, pieces of rocks, you can find some. But the soil is the uppermost, the top layer of the earth's surface. And on that we build buildings, we even build roads of the soil, because if you see the kacha road in the villages, you will see they are not pitched, but in those roads which are made are built on made on the soil itself. Now soil is formed. How is soil formed? Soil is formed when large rocks break into smaller pieces. These rocks, they come down from the mountains or hills or plateaus with the rivers. You know, the rocks you can see in the mountains, in the plateaus, in the hills, they come down when the river flows down. And when they come down, they have the friction. They collide with the ground and they start breaking, and they fall from greater height, again they break, then they flow on the rivers flow on the ground, on the plains, and then they have this friction and they start breaking into small pieces. And in this way soil is formed, and the soil that rocks is further, it is divided, means broken into fine silt sand which you find on the banks of the river. So they are further they broken down into sand and silt. So when you go near the rivers or any water bodies, you see the sand. It is fine. It is very fine particles of dust type of thing, which is sand, and that is also broken into small pieces. Even the silt, I told you before that silt is very good quality soil which is required for growing crops, especially the alluvial soil which you find in India near the river banks, in the plains of the north. They are made from that particles, they break down, these rocks break down and form fine silt and sand. So this is how the soil is formed, and soil is needed. I told you it is needed by the farmers to grow crops. So the farmers, they add fertilizer, manures, you know manures, like if you have a kitchen garden in your house, you must have seen mother, she grows some small plants and trees, and there may be some fruits growing or vegetables growing or any flowers growing. So she keeps giving the manure or the fertilizers. Manure, you can make organic manure, means your home manure. I told you before that how you put all the kitchen waste, the vegetable peels and the fruit peels, you understand, the outer covering of the vegetables, you dump it in a pit, make a hole and dump it, and it rots, and this is how manure is formed. Then cow dung is used for manure. So even now you get different type of fertilizers in the market which the farmers use to enhance the growth of crops. Now this is how the fertility of the soil is increased. Then these earthworms are called the farmer's friend, because the earthworms, they, as you know, they live in the ground and they keep on digging, and they keep dropping their droppings on the ground, and in this way it makes the soil fertile. So fertile soil produce many variety of crops and produce good quality of crops. Now in India we have different types of soil which is found in different parts of India. Here I have a photograph for you which I will show you. I will send you in the assignment too. Please go through. These are the different types of soil found in India. Types of soil. If you look into your map also, it is given in your textbook, you will see that different type of soil is found here. You can see alluvial soil, you can find black soil, which is there in India, means in Gujarat you find black soil also, red soil, then you have laterite soil, you have mountain soil, and you have desert soil. So these are the different types of soil you find in India. So alluvial soil, you can see this green color, this is very good for growing crops. You can see that black soil, you can see the red soil, then you can find the laterite soil, then you have that yellow color is your desert soil, then in the mountains the brown color is your mountain soil, which is rich in humus. So these are the different types of soil. Now one by one we will discuss about the different types of soil.